Published, 1651 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 20th of April 2018. Updated, 9:29 Eastern Daylight Saving Time, the 21st of April 2018. Takeda, Japan's largest pharmaceutical company, just won't take no for an answer. Having had 3 bids for the Irish drug maker Shire turned down, it returned with an improved fourth yesterday. The new offer values Shire at £47 a share, or £42.8 billion, a near £500 million improvement on its last bid. Having had 3 bids for the Irish drug maker Shire turned down, Takeda returned with an improved fourth yesterday. The new offer values Shire at £47 a shareBotox maker Allergan was also in the running to buy the FTSE 100 firm before pulling out of the race on Thursday in a takeover pursuit that is beginning to rival a soap opera for drama. If Takeda succeeds with its latest bid, it will go down as one of the pharmaceutical sector's largest ever deals. Before Takeda's latest approach, analysts claimed a deal for Shire was all but dead in the water. But it raises hopes that a deal can be thrashed out before the 5 p.m. deadline on April 25, Takeda said. Takeda believes the improved proposal represents a highly compelling opportunity for Shire shareholders. Despite the new bid, Shire's shares fell 3.9%, or 153.5p, to 3,821.5p, wiping £1.4 billion off its value. The FTSE 100 posted its third consecutive day of gains, rising 0.54%, or 39.25 points, to 7,368.17, while the FTSE 250 was up 0.37%, or 73.61 points, at 20,220.77. The threat of a widespread attack by Russian hackers has sent shares in cybersecurity experts to FTSE soaring. The UK and US governments warned last week that Russian hackers were about to hack millions of smartphones and computers as tensions between the countries hit boiling point. Since then, the FTSE, which develops antivirus software for smartphones and computers, has gone up 66.7%. Yesterday, shares rose an incredible 57.1%, or 10p, to 27.5p. Analysts tipped Virgin Money as a likely takeover target for Spain's Sabadell, the banking group that owns TSB. Alicante-based Sabadell, one of Spain's biggest banks, is reportedly open to further acquisitions in the UK, after swooping on TSB in 2015. Ian Gordon, an analyst at Investec, believes growth stock Virgin would be a perfect acquisition amid emerging predatory interest. Shares in FTSE 250 listed Virgin Money notched up 1.5%, or 4p, to 278.3p. There was plenty of action elsewhere. Drug maker Hikma revealed its U.S. subsidiary, Westward Pharmaceuticals, had launched an injection to combat chronic heart disease, cardiomyopathy in certain women with breast cancer. Its shares ticked up nearly 2%, or 23.5p, to 1208p. Energy firm Drex said it would buy back £50 million of shares from investors before January 21, and that nudged shares up 1.2%, or 3.6p, to 301.8p. Insurer Azure won the backing of Peel Hunt, which upgraded it from add to buy. The shares are more than 25% off their June 2017 peak, but that now means that they look undervalued. Mark Williamson, one of the broker's analysts, said, the shares have weakened to an extent that the valuation has now become attractive. Azure's shares went up 1.9%, or 4.2p, to 225.4p. Engineer Meggitt has signed a 5-year deal to supply electric valves and actuators to Solar Turbines, a supplier of turbines to the oil and gas industry and a subsidiary of U.S. construction equipment giant Caterpillar. Meggitt has supplied Solar with gas and liquid valves for more than 20 years. Shares rose 1.7%, or 7.7p, to 462.1p. On March higher despite the women's over 50s fashion outfit reporting falling sales. A poor fourth quarter led to a 0.5% sales dip in the year to March 31, although it said profit would still be in line with expectations. That reassurance calmed investor nerves and shares hopped 4.4%, or 4p, to 94.5p. On AIM, Omega, which makes allergy tests, tied up a global distribution deal with Immunodiagnostic Systems to sell its allergist testing range and saw its shares rocket 36.6%, or 3.2p, to 11.95p. Fundraising dented Mobile Streams, a smartphone app and game distributor. It raised £105,329 through the issue of nearly 9.2 meters shares at 0.002p each, but its price slipped 5.4%, or 0.08p, to 1.32p.